The most dangerous lie in modern work culture is this: success comes from grinding harder, working longer hours, and saying yes to everything. But here's the truth. If you're trading time for money, you're still on the treadmill. You're just jogging faster. Time is finite, but wealth creation, real compounding wealth, requires leverage. In this breakdown, we'll walk through how to escape the time trap, how to transition from being a service provider or employee to a builder of systems that compound. You'll learn how high-leverage entrepreneurs create freedom not by working more, but by working smart, owning assets, and engineering scale. This is the playbook for turning your skills, systems, and ideas into income machines that run with or without you. Let's build. The truth about time-based work. Trading hours for dollars creates a ceiling. No matter how skilled you are or how high your hourly rate gets, you're still bound by time. The more you want to earn, the more hours you need to work. The system is fundamentally broken, but this model persists because it feels safe. It's familiar. It gives us the illusion of productivity. You show up, clock in, deliver the work, and get paid. The hidden cost? You're renting your life. You're not building equity. Your income resets every month. Your calendar becomes your cage. If you ever stop working, the money stops too. This is why high-leverage thinkers optimize for ownership, systems, and scale. The 4 types of leverage. To escape the time trap, you need leverage. Leverage is how you decouple your inputs from your outputs, how you do more with less. There are 4 primary types of leverage. Labor, using other people's time to multiply output. Think hiring, delegation, and team building. Capital, using money to generate more money. Think investing, paid acquisition, or scaling with budget. Code, using software and automation to replicate tasks indefinitely. Think building apps, websites, or digital tools. Media, using content to reach people at scale. Think YouTube, blogs, email newsletters, or viral tweets. The last 2, code and media, are permissionless. You don't need a team or investors. You just need consistency, clarity, and execution. Digital entrepreneurs build businesses around code and media first. These tools don't sleep. They don't ask for raises. They compound daily, shifting from service to system. The transition starts with shifting your identity from a service provider to a systems builder. If you're a freelancer, coach, consultant, or agency, you're still the product. The business can't run without you. But when you document your knowledge, turn your processes into products, and design scalable assets, you stop being the bottleneck. You start becoming the architect. This shift looks like turning coaching calls into a video course, turning consulting into a downloadable playbook, turning custom work into a repeatable service product, turning your insights into a newsletter that grows while you sleep. Instead of being the operator, you become the owner. Creating your first scalable offer. Scalable offer is a productized transformation that solves a specific problem. It can be a digital product, template, course, membership, or even software. The key is that it's built once, sold repeatedly, and doesn't require you to show up live every time. To create one, identify the recurring pain points your audience has. Define the clear transformation you deliver. Package your solution into a format that requires no one-on-one effort. Launch with a lean sales system, landing page, email sequence, and checkout. Think of your offer as the front door to your ecosystem. It attracts, delivers, and converts, all without your calendar being involved. Designing your time-independent system. Business that doesn't require your time every day relies on 3 pillars: traffic, trust, and transactions. Traffic, consistent attention from the right audience. This is your content engine. Trust, consistent value and credibility over time. This is your email list or community. Transactions, consistent offers that solve real problems. This is your sales and product ecosystem. Use tools like Behave or ConvertKit for email automation, Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy for product sales, Notion or Teachable for product delivery. Build once. Refine. Let your systems carry the weight. Case study style strategy. Let's say you're a freelance designer. You trade your hours for client work. Instead, you start documenting your process. You create a Figma template and an onboarding checklist. You turn those into a $49 digital product. You build a Notion workspace that walks new designers through your client workflow. You publish one blog post per week and grow your audience on X. You set up ConvertKit to deliver your lead magnet, nurture sequence, and promote your product. Now, instead of selling time, you're selling systems. Instead of chasing clients, your content brings them to you. Your product sells while you sleep. This is how leverage looks in practice. What to track as you transition. The metrics of leveraged business are different than time-based work. Start tracking. Email list growth, website traffic, product conversion rates, repeat customers, average revenue per subscriber, new versus returning traffic. These data points tell you what's compounding, what's scalable, what's worth doubling down on. Time-based income doesn't have this feedback loop. Leveraged income does. The compound effect of content and assets. Every piece of content you create is a mini asset. Every product, template, email, or landing page is a small worker doing your job, even when you're off the clock. Over time, these assets multiply. A single blog post can generate traffic for years. A single tweet can lead to hundreds of email subs. A single product can be sold 1,000 times. This is how you build scale without hiring a massive team or raising money. You compound through consistency. The mindset shift. From input to output. You need to stop thinking in units of time and start thinking in units of value. Ask yourself, is this task repeatable? Can I automate it? Can I templatize it? Can I teach it or sell it? Replace how can I do more with how can this work without me? That's the question leveraged entrepreneurs ask daily. Closing escaping the time trap isn't about rejecting work. It's about redefining how we work, building smarter, not harder. Leverage is the difference between a business that dies without you and one that scales without you. Your time is your most valuable asset, but your systems are what make that time exponential. If you want freedom, stop selling hours, start building leverage. This is how Wealth Loop HQ builds, and this is how you'll scale.